Market's up 10 days straight. Buy now. Or wait. If you buy, you're scared of catching the top. If you don't, you're terrified of missing the entire move. Sound familiar? If you're thinking like this, you're not trading. You're gambling. That gut feeling, that fear, that greed. That's exactly why you keep losing. Top traders don't trust feelings. They trust forwards. Pre-trade plan. A pre-trade plan removes emotion. Before you click a single button, every entry has a reason. Every exit has a boundary. No guessing, no hoping, just execution. How do you build one? Simple. Before every trade, answer these 8 questions. Question 1. What is the market doing right now? Higher highs, higher lows. That's an uptrend. If that chart isn't clear, use 3 EMAs. Short, medium, long. If they stack in order, fast on top, slow on bottom, that's a clear trend. Question 2. Where does this trend begin? Why does this matter? Because you need to know which piece of the move you're actually trying to catch. Without a clear starting point, which rally are you trading? This one, or this one? Confusion here means chaos in your stops. Here's the rule. Lock your chart to 250 candles. Find the extreme low. Draw a line. Everything left of that line, ignore it. Only trade what happens on the right. Question 3. What phase is this trend in? Early, middle, or late? If it's late, don't chase it. If it's not late, that's your playground. How do you tell? Use the MACD. Find the last MACD peak before a bearish crossover, while the MACD is still above 0. Now find the price high that matches that MACD peak. Then look at the sequence. Are both the MACD peaks and the price highs making higher highs? If yes, this trend is not in the late phase. It's still healthy. It's still tradable. Question 4. What degree is this trend? Knowing it's healthy isn't enough. You only follow moves that match your degree, or a higher one. Smaller degree moves are noise. Too fast, too choppy. Your targets and stops get messy. How do you measure degree? Look at the consolidation zones, the bases, the areas where price pauses. Find the 3 biggest bases on the chart. Now check the MACD for each one. Watch how deeply price pulls the MACD back toward the 0 line. Base A touches 0 exactly. That's your standard degree. Base B dips slightly below 0. Still valid. Even stronger. Base C barely pulls back, far from 0. That's a smaller degree. The biggest base, Base B, that means this entire rally is a Base B degree move. That's the trend worth following. Question 5. What's your bias? This is your summary. Base B degree, uptrend, not late phase. Your bias is simple. Buy the dips. Question 6. Which degree are you with? And which are you against? You're with the big degree. You're against the small pullback. This is the higher time frame versus the lower time frame. Markets have inertia. Trends don't die easily. So you follow the big move. But entries on the big chart are messy. So you zoom in. You trade the small reversal inside the big trend with the tide against the ripple. Question 7. Where is your defense? Your defense line is your invalidation level. Find that biggest base again. Draw a ray from its lowest point. That line is your defense. If price closes below it, your bullish thesis is dead. Get out. Question 8. Do you drop down to the trading time frame? Yes. But first, mark your key levels. The obvious ones and the hidden ones. Like here, price broke below a low, then reversed hard with a strong momentum candle. That's a false breakdown. Mark that level too. Now you've answered all 8. Your trend analysis is done. Time to drop down. Enter and set your targets and stops. On the trading time frame, you need a second plan, but this one isn't about finding the trade. It's about controlling your rhythm. Because once you're in, the demons show up. Greed, fear, hope. I want more profits. I can't take a loss. Without a plan, emotions eat you alive. You turn from a disciplined trader into a puppet, dancing to the market's tune. That trading time frame plan. 6 questions. We'll cover those in the next video. That's the pre-trade plan. 8 questions. 0 emotion. Total clarity. Next episode. How elite traders manage position sizing. So one bad trade doesn't destroy your account. Like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.